Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the V380 and confirming a steady LED. You need your phone on the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi network because the camera uses that band. Otherwise, pairing will fail. Once the app is installed and you're logged in, press the camera's reset or WPS button until the LED flashes to enter AP or pairing mode. Do this now so the device broadcasts its setup network. This prepares both camera and phone for the next configuration step. You'll now add the camera inside the V380 app. Choose Quick Pair for automatic discovery or AP mode if discovery fails. If in AP mode, connect your phone to the camera's temporary SSID, then return to the app and enter your home too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi name and password so the camera can join your router. Make sure the password is correct. Mistyped keys are the most common failure. Once you submit, the app uploads settings, and the camera reboots to connect to your network. You finish by naming the device, creating a strong device password, and choosing cloud or micro SD storage so footage is retained. Once done, open the live view and test pan/tilt, two-way audio, and motion alerts to confirm full function. If you don't see the feed, make sure the camera actually joined the two. 4 GHz SSID. If not, retry AP mode or perform a factory reset and move the camera closer to the router. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.